Hello, how are you guys doing today? I miss you so much today. You guys, I am so excited about this video. Okay, first of all, I've never done spaghetti, any type of spaghetti on my channel, you guys. I actually love spaghetti. I've done pasta, the Indomie pasta, but not this, not spaghetti or anything like that, or lasagna. I love lasagna. So you guys, this is the Millionaire's spaghetti. It's viral on TikTok. It's the viral spaghetti. I know I'm late and wrong, but it's been popular for about a couple months now. Here she comes. Yes. Don't jump up here, sweetie. So this is that, you guys. I have the recipe that I followed in the description box for you guys. I highly recommend. Well, it smells good. I'm gonna let you guys know if I recommend it. I'm pretty sure I do because it smells amazing. I haven't tasted all combined yet, of course, because I just made it and it's in this dish untouched. So excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. So basically it's spaghetti and Parmesan. So basically it's spaghetti and Alfredo mixed together or layered together. I used all fresh ingredients, nothing out of a can. I made it all by myself. I'm so hungry. This is cranberry juice, you guys. So cheers to eating delicious food and fresh ingredients. I highly recommend it. So cheers. All right, you guys, let me say my blessings so we can get into it, you guys. Dear God, thank you so much for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishment to my body. Thank you for providing. Bless the ones who do not have. In Jesus' precious name, amen. You guys, oh man, I used fresh everything, you guys. Oh man, it looks so good. It looks so good. I grated the cheese. I did it all, y'all. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of it. All right, you guys, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I gotta try that again. Hold on. Hold up, y'all. Hold on. Oh my gosh, yum. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Come on. It won't focus. Is it focusing? There it is. Oh my God, you guys. I did let it sit, but it's still really hot. You lying. You lying. I know you lying. Y'all, have y'all tried this? Have y'all tried this? Oh my gosh. This is delicious. Wow. Wow, and I want big bites. I don't want no little bite. You guys, make it from scratch, you guys. Make it from scratch. It takes 2 seconds to make fresh Alfredo sauce. Make it, you guys. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. And it's just me, y'all. Mm. If y'all don't know what to cook for tomorrow for dinner, here it is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is really, really, really yummy. With the fresh grated cheese. Takes 2 seconds to do it, you guys. 2 seconds. Mmm. 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 Wow. I don't know who invented this. But honey, this is good. This is delicious. Oh, man. Mmm. It's creamy. It's rich. It's flavorful. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That is really, really good. With a nice glass of wine. If you guys drink wine. Mmm. Mmm. Man, that is good. That is really, really, really good. It's like you get the best of both worlds. Mmm. Go ahead, open up. Open your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. If you are a pasta lover, if you're a pasta lover, you're really gonna like this. Now, my husband would be telling me right now that it's not spicy enough, but you know we don't make our food spicy like that. So, if you want to make it spicy, make it spicy. But I don't think this is supposed to be a spicy dish. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, y'all. Mmm. Cheesy, delicious, fresh, yummy, all of the above, and I want big bites. How are you guys doing today? I'm so sorry, I'm so rude. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you guys are enjoying these everyday videos, you guys. I am not used to doing videos every day, but I told you guys that we're definitely doing everyday videos. I'm not playing no games with that. Every day that I can be here, I will be here, because I love connecting with you guys. I love seeing you. You guys get to see my face every day, and we eat something new and exciting. I'm not going to be doing the same foods that I used to do all the time. We're going to be doing variety. I'm cooking. I'm doing the whole 9 yards. Mmm. You guys, this is very good. Very, very good. Mmm. It's creamy. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. 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 Yo, that is bomb. I used ground beef, spicy sausage, the spicy sausages, excuse me, oh my gosh, hot sausage, the spicy kind. Mm. I sauteed onions. Wow, yo, this is good. Wow, I know I keep saying it, but I've never had anything like this before. It's really delicious. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. And you can taste that sausage. You can use ground turkey. You can use whatever you want. Mmm. 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 All my pasta lovers out there, this is it right here. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all. Mmm, mmm, mmm. I don't think we're gonna be making spaghetti the same anymore after this. I really like this. Mm. Mm. I really like this a lot. It's like it takes it to the next level. Mm. No. And you guys, there are some people out here that really, really love pasta. I'm not big on pasta. If I taste somebody's, sometimes there has been times where I taste somebody's food and I'm like, dang, that's really good. I should have ordered it. Excuse me, but when I go out to a restaurant, I'm not ordering pasta. But this, you guys, is really, really good. I can see restaurants recreating this and having this on the menu. No, it really is that good. It really is that good. Mm. It doesn't take long to cook. Making the Alfredo is literally one extra step. And then if you want to do it like super fresh, grating the cheese, it just takes a few extra seconds more. But I think it's actually very much worth it when you're using fresh ingredients. It's very, very delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, y'all. This is my last bite. Nice big bite. Last big bite, y'all. I ate a good amount. Mmm. Oh my gosh, y'all. I did good. I did pretty good. Y'all. Honey. This is comfort food. This is comfort food. This is no, that's not on my face. You guys, this is comfort food. This is perfect for cold weather, a rainy day. This would have been perfect for it yesterday. It was super rainy yesterday. This is comfort food. This is, you want to impress somebody, a date. You know, somebody's coming over your house for a date. It's not hard. You don't have to know how to cook to make this. You're literally browning and cooking the meat, whatever meat you decide to use. You're making your sauce if you decide to go the fresh route, or if you decide to use Prego or whatever. Now, I don't know if I recommend using Alfredo in a can. I mean, I've had, I really have never really tasted a really delicious, I don't even order Alfredo, but I've never really tasted a delicious Alfredo sauce in a can. I might be wrong. There might be some really good, delicious Alfredo sauce, but I recommend making Alfredo sauce from scratch. It's easy. It's literally like 3 or 4 ingredients. It is so delicious. Freshly grated cheese. And you're going to impress whoever you are making this for. It's very delicious if you just want to make it for yourself with a glass of wine. Honey, pull up a movie and chill. Okay, this is that meal. This is delicious, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I absolutely enjoyed this. First time ever on the channel eating like a spaghetti type of dish. Yeah, I'm with marinara sauce and with marinara sauce and Alfredo sauce, you guys. Super, super delicious, you guys. Try it out. I don't think you're going to be disappointed, especially if you love spaghetti, especially if you love marinara sauce, and if you love Alfredo sauce. I think this is definitely a hit. I see why they call it millionaire mac and cheese. I'm sorry, millionaire pasta, millionaire spaghetti, whatever. Oh, honey. I'm going to curl up on this couch. Pull me up a movie. I'm going to try to pull up a movie, you guys. I said to you guys before that I have a very short attention span when it comes to movies. If you don't get me within the first 5 minutes, I'm checked out. So if y'all know any good movies that's going to keep me glued to the TV, maybe some suspense. I love suspense. Something that's going to keep my attention. And yeah, you guys, again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you all so much for supporting me day in and day out. I really appreciate it. I'm busting out amazing content for you guys, and I absolutely will be eating something different every day. I'm tired of seeing the same thing over and over again. I got bored, you know what I mean? I got bored. So I'm not bored anymore. I'm ready to cook for you guys, make different recipes, create things for you guys. Try whatever's going viral. Try, you know what I mean? I got bored. So I'm not bored anymore. I'm ready to cook for you guys, make different recipes, create things for you guys. Try whatever's going viral. Try, you know what I mean? I got bored. So I'm not bored anymore. I'm ready to cook for you guys, make different recipes, create things for you guys. Try whatever's going viral. Try make up my own stuff, whatever. You guys' recommendation. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I love you all so much. Try the recipe out. Let me know what you think. Have you tried it already before? Let me know in the comment section. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all tomorrow for another video. Bye. Mwah.